Let's say you already have a model view or a screenshot of your model. This lets you turn it into something far more polished without all of the lengthy rendering times or post-production editing. Let's go ahead and start a new chat. Head over to the top left and select New Chat. Let's create an image, and I'm going to turn thinking mode on. Now I'm going to upload the screenshot of my model. Click the plus icon, add photos and files, and now I've uploaded a screenshot of my model. Copy and paste the prompt that's linked in the description below. Go ahead and fill in all of the brackets. Inside my brackets, I said, apply a modern luxury architectural palette with smooth white stucco walls, board-formed concrete feature walls, warm natural wood soffits and ceiling accents, large floor-to-ceiling, low iron glass windows with realistic reflections, slim back aluminum window frames, light limestone terrace pavers, subtle metal railings, clean garage door paneling, soft landscape planters with ornamental grasses and minimal shrubs. I want detailed shadow lines, refined edge trims, and a realistic interior lighting that's visible through the glass. For the weather and time of day, I set a bright, sunny summer day with soft clouds, dramatic God rays, crisp, clean lighting, and warm, natural sun highlights. I'm going to make sure to change my ratio over to widescreen and go ahead and press enter or click send when you're ready. And this is the output from that prompt. If you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe down below if you want to see future content just like this. If you want to support the channel further, check out the Patreon. It's linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.